Hey guys, welcome to another Flexity video. Today I'm gonna show you different ways you can earn money in Flexity. And the first way is by going to the car feast, which I am on my way to right now. Just holding the title. We'll wait for a few seconds and we'll be there in a minute.